It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh no! Oh, we didn't get that one. Paddle!
It's a hymn of Mario.
It's a Mario doing his Mario thing. Can we do the dancey thing?
The dancey thing? The rhythm?
Hey everybody! Welcome back to Super Mario Party! Instead of the regular party mode this time, we're gonna play that rhythm game.
How fitting.
Mario!
Mario!
We're gonna play the sound stage. Nail every beat and show the crowd who's the ultimate performer!
Crank the volume and stand up and play. You know.
Look at Toad. Another
Toadette.
packed house today.
Toadette.
It's almost showtime.
Are you
ready, Shy Guy? How about you, Rosalina? I thought it sounded like I said, oh no.
You're ready to break someone's face.
Mario time!
Everything's about you, Mario.
Look at Toad's butt.
Toad's
Toad's
butt.
butt! Toad's butt!
There we go. Oh yeah.
I like how Rosalina, it's not as dancing, she's just waving. What are we doing? Yeah! Fist bump it! Fist bump it! Fist bump it! Hit the pitches.
Oh jeez.
Oh, I suck at this one. Screw you, tennis ball. Oh, too early.
Tennis ball.
Baseball. No, I'm hitting them way too early. I suck. Oh, now I hit too late. I wasn't ready for that.
I was going too fast.
What the frig? I suck. You oh, what? I didn't even hit that one.
I wasn't ready for the second one.
Ow, I hit my elbow. I think it's 25, but it's 6.
Oh, I hate this one.
I think I'm a little better at this one. Sort of. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm trying to hit a button. Ting, tang, tom. Wow!
I was good there for a second.
Scrub the window. I'm trying to hit buttons, but I realize it's just like a motion
It's just
control
motion,
thing.
yeah.
They look like little clouds. We're shoving the little clouds.
Look at those windows.
Look at those
Oh,
toes. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know if that was a racist.
Not me.
Oh, we're done already? Well, it certainly was not me. I failed miserably. I was not in the rhythm.
I think it's Bowser.
It was a little late, the glow stickies.
Oh, of course it is.
Mario time!
Oh, look at him go!
I'm not impressed.
I'm impressed. What's a 40-year-old plumber dancing like that?
Wow. I got 8! I hit 8 of the baseballs. I did the best at the window wiping. That should be my new career, I guess. Let's try again. Let's do remix.
Remix.
We're on normal?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We're better than this. I swear we're better than this.
Apparently not.
Hit the block. Strike it rich. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I didn't hit that. No, Kyle, this is way too hard.
How am I early?
How can you be early hitting a block? Dun, 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 dun. I like how they stop. I like how they stop. Slam the mole. Rhythm and bruise.
Oh, jeez.
Ready? Watch those molehills bonk. Watch those molehills bonk. Watch those molehills bonk, bonk. Oh, I didn't even hit that one. Motion control suck. Dun, 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 dun.
My guy does it twice regardless.
I know, right? I think it's the motion control. The sucky.
Oh, this is the worst.
Batonana. What's your name? Batonana? My name is Batonana. What am I doing? I don't like the way Rosalie this position. Up, down, yeehaw! I like how I'm going the opposite direction. Like they're all going down and I'm going up. Bowser with a baton looks hilarious.
I am sucking.
I'm catching up to them. Rosalina looks like a queen! Ah, she like vomits. Way into the crowd! Faster.
What?
Oh yeah, we gotta do also. Oh no! I can't even
Faster!
faster!
Might be better at this faster, actually.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't even hit the block. I suck. That one sucks. I hate that one.
I suck at this one and the next one.
The baton one faster sucks. Look how fast they're bouncing around. Oh gosh. Kyle! Too much! Oh gosh. Oh, that one was too fast.
I didn't get that one.
Did anyone get that last one? Oh, this part 2 wants to go back. How are there 300 and some odd points? Can anyone possibly, like, do this game? They got rid of the score because they're like, it's the end of the game.
I know, and I was like...
I'm like, why? It's clearly not one of us. This is intense, man.
I hit nothing.
Rosalina looks out of breath, man. She's like,
I think Bowser won that.
Team Mario.
What? Look at him dance. Look at him go.
No one cares about stupid dance.
Oh, he's so good.
You want to do the river one?
Okay.
Look at my baton one. Look how good I did on the baton one compared to all the others.
I did not do good.
Okay, well, enough of the rhythm one. We're playing the river survival mode now.
River survival.
I have to be with Mario?
Yeah, apparently.
Okay. Well, I want to be in front of him. See, look at my rear.
I have a little pedestal I have to stand on because I'm so short.
Right, we're gonna go bolting out of there. Who are you waving at? The fish?
Toad.
Oh, Toad. How come Toad didn't come flying out of there? Yeah, clap those paddles. Paddle clap. Stroke! Stroke! Stroke!
Stop mocking me!
We gotta go for the time.
Try not to hit the rock. Go for the balloon! The balloon! Mario, do something! What? Come on, guys. We popped it! Give it a good smack.
Oh, this one.
Okay, guys, let's put these balls in the right hole.
That's what she said.
Give it to Mario already. And Rosalina, around.
Are you sure about that?
Fuck around.
Give it to me! Ball!
It was at this moment that he knew. Up.
Oh no! Kyle, what are you doing?
What do you mean? What am I doing?
Come on, guys, you can get 9! Come on! Oh, Bowser, you took so long to toss it over! I'm a princess, not a ball sorter. Oh, is that wrong? Like, here you go. Oh no, Toad, you go too far.
Oh.
It went, man. Toad did it! He made it to the top. I always go a little too far with it. That's a good one, Mario. That's
You did something right.
You don't really have to do anything.
I was like, oh, what the hell? You missed all the big ones.
You failed. Yeah, Queen. Woo! We passed our score. Don't look at my head, Toad. Don't appreciate it.
He's like, why is there no human in the Mario world?
Mario, do something. Don't worry, I'll do all the work here, buddy. They're like, hey, bring it over here. We're over here. Come on, guys. Come on. Haha.
Go, go, go,
Go,
go,
go, go, go, go, go, go, go. Stop! Water? Take water away.
No, I guess so.
Go up! Yeah, well, you got Bowser took it to the Oh, we deranked to A.
They didn't want to go in the water. They're like, no.
I know, right? You can feel the friction. So we want to go down the TP way? Which way? Left or right? Go down, yeah, let's go down the Rappy Wilds. Rappy Wilds. Where are you going, Bowser? We chose this one. Stop trying to be a rebel. Rosalina, you would be pissed. Your dress would be soaked.
It's supposed to be the easy one? Yeah.
Oh,
And then it
no.
gets-
I had the hardest one!
Sorry, I'll fall.
Look at mine! What in the heck?
Or you want to see those fireworks go off.
Right? Here you go, Mario. Let's go. Go, Mario. Go, Mario. Go. I like how it took your section 9 seconds and it took my section 10 seconds. Like, you took too long.
We still got S.
It's the Speedies!
Speedies!
Mario!
The right side of this boat is just terrible.
Well, Bowser wants to be like, hey, I'm gonna push away from everything. Do you see him?
No, I'm too busy focusing on you guys not doing anything.
Oh, Mama Penguin need her pengies!
I killed your
She
baby.
needs...
So
we
many
need to
times,
Newt.
Mario.
Newt!
What are you guys doing?
Oh my gosh.
You're rushing through the corner.
Come on, guys.
Mario, F off.
I don't feel like I'm doing what I should be doing. Get where you need to go.
He-
This little bastard!
He stopped us from getting us right.
Come on, guys. Go in there. Yes, we got S still.
How?
I don't know. Thanks for your help, Mama. We'll get a picture. Get in the photo.
He's right there.
Where's the photograph? Okay. Is it going to show us that photo later? I'm missing it. We don't need it. Speedies or Rappies? Go for the big speedy jump. No, that way. Other way. The other way. Where Bowser's going? No, guys. Okay, we're going this way.
I thought the rocks were like big speed jumps.
Bowser's just like, nah. I ain't playing your game. I don't think you want to hit these.
Yeah, you do. Look at the time.
Yeah, if you get the time. I think you want to avoid most of them. You need to hit all the big ones. Bowser, stop it! Bowser, you
Oh god. You know, when we paddle together, we go fast.
I know, but no one is. Okay, guys, we gotta paddle to get to that balloon. Paddle, 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 paddle. We're on
Get
shape.
him!
Yeah, corner him. Okay.
We're getting the bottom one right below me.
I'll get the very bottom middle one.
Oh jeez.
Bowser, it's mine.
Yeah.
You got picked up. Okay,
I got the bottom one again.
we get the one right underneath me. Yeah, we'll get the middle one.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll get the one that changed. Oh Jesus.
I don't know. I think it's this one. I think I f***ed up. Oh, I got a
I
heart!
fucked up too. What's the other one then?
I wasn't prepared for it to do that 50. Okay, I'm getting the one in the middle. Okay, I know where mine is. It's down here. We did it! We did it!
So would it be harder to pick the easier computers?
Yeah, I think so.
Could they be dumber?
No, take that one, because I don't know where the other ones are. What are you going for, this one? No, we're going for the same one then. I was like, you pick a different one.
This is mine.
This is mine, and that's mine, and this is mine, and that's mine.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to change. I was like, what?
Okay. Bowser, start running us into rocks, please. Whee! We need to get the balloon. Pop! Oh, look at the cute little beat.
Beats.
Okay. Okay, we got this, guys.
Oh no, they took me away.
Oh, where are you going?
They took me away. I got most of them.
Get away from me, bat! I got the last one. Touchdown. Oh, like, this is a fire hazard. Right? That's gotta be a big fire hazard.
But we had no lights.
Which one do you want to go? I think left's the best option.
Yeah, I'll go up.
I mean, we could make it harder on ourselves, but why would we do that?
I want to go all the way down the side.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Get over there. You might have missed it. Now Bowser's like, I'll paddle into the f***ing rock. Again. To the right.
Bowser! Bowser!
Hit this one. Whee! We don't need the balloon one, we just saved 30 seconds right there. Oh, we gotta get the music notes. Let's see what happens. Oh, we f***ed up. Bowser! Bowser, why would you paddle right there? It's not 3,500 meters. God damn, my arms would be tired. Can you paddle the boat midair?
We can try.
Paddle! Go! I think we need to get that balloon. Why are you guys paddling? We're not getting that balloon. Oh no. When do people run out of time?
That one's ominous.
That one's the big belugas.
Yeah.
The boopus.
The boopus.
The belugas.
The big beluga whales.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Wouldn't they soak themselves doing that? Because there's water.
They'd already be soaked.
Yeah, just stay on the side here. Hump that
That
sass.
can't be the best option.
Hump that sass.
Oh no.
We need the balloon! We need the balloon! We missed the balloon!
No.
Oh, we ain't getting it.
Go,
Oh,
go, go.
Dude, we're running out of time. You guys need to stop. Get off the wall! Dude, we're hitting 30 seconds left. What the heck, man? Dude, we need a balloon or something. For the end of the course, man. Get out of the way, cheapies. We're almost there, I'm pretty sure. Paddle, guys, paddle. Oh, nope, we missed that one. We need to get that one. We need to get that one. Dude, we got 11 seconds. Oh my god, we're gonna lose. We're missing it. We don't need it. Oh, we didn't get that one. Paddle!
Look at Mario, he's so disappointed.
I'm playing Bowser. It's his fault.
Oh, the picture's good.
You guys all look so pissed. I look so scared.
That was hilarious. Right there.
I like how we hit all the, like, almost all the balloons, and we got to the last two little things, and we just...
Okay, well.
Okay, well...
That was disappointing and anticlimactic.
So close yet so far. We failed? Like, how did we fail this? I didn't even think it was possible to fail this.
I blame Mario.
I meant Bowser!
No, see, look at us. Same amount of times. Look at you guys. Way off.
But every time Bowser paddles, he runs into a rock. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit that like button down below. We'd really appreciate it.
I feel like Mario looks right now.
See y'all next video. Bye, lovies!
Say la vie.